The AT5108 multi-channel resistance tester can measure 8 channels simultaneously and display the results on the screen at the same time. Each channel has an accuracy of 0.05% and a measurement range of 1 to 3 OK. The resistance value of each channel is displayed in 5 digits and has 30,000 readings. Basic introduction. Press the MES key to enter the measurement display page. The measurement display page mainly highlights the measurement results and displays the current sorting results in small characters. All the settings related to measurement are operated on the settings page. The instrument offers 4 different testing speeds. The slower the speed, the more accurate and stable the test results will be. Scanning can be set to single channel or full channel. For single channel, the specific channel can be selected by increasing or decreasing. All the values can be directly entered using the numeric keypad. Temperature compensation requires setting the temperature coefficient of the material. The measured result reflects the value at the reference temperature. Press the Setup key, then press the Computer Settings function key to open the Computer Settings page. The computer can set the upper and lower limits for all channels. The instrument has an internal handler interface for outputting the results to relays, PLCs or industrial computers. On the computer page, you can set the following items: computer switch and input mode for computer gears, comparison method settings, nominal value settings, as well as the upper limit and lower limit data input for each gear. The upper and lower limit values can be deleted individually or in batches through the function keys. Press the function key USB disk to enter the USB drive settings page. After inserting the USB disk, create a file and enter the name using the numeric keys. Set timed saving. You can input the time interval in seconds directly using the numeric keypad. To perform the short circuit reset for the furniture, please do it in the settings. Press the bottom function key file to enter the file management page. Allow the settings to be saved to a file, which makes it convenient to read them when starting up or when changing the specifications. Select the Startup option to specify the files that will be executed upon startup. Automatic saving can be set to be either enabled or disabled. The file can be customized to change its name. Press System to enter the system configuration page. All the settings on this page will be automatically saved in the system and will be loaded automatically during the next startup. There are no user configurable options on the system information page. The system configuration page includes the following settings: language, date or time, sound, baud rate, communication data YOC, etc. Press Zero Value Correction to enter the Zero Correction Reset page. On this page, you can set whether to enable or disable the zero value. Users can set the reset value for any channel as needed. After selection, they can input the value using the numeric keypad. The function keys offer one-click locking and unlocking. Once locked, no other keys can be used. USB flash drive. Insert the USB drive, and the screen will display USB disk ready. Enter the USB settings page, select the unit as automatic, create a new file, set the timing for saving, and then return to the measurement result display page. After the scanning is completed, you can see the file path and the saving time of the data file saved to the USB drive. Note that the actual saving intervals for the scanning channels when in single path mode and full open mode are different, which is normal display. After saving, simply remove the USB drive. The files saved on the USB drive can be viewed on the computer. Please note that before using the USB drive to record data, you need to set the attribute format of the USB drive to FAT32 on the computer. Test and interface. Take a group as an example. Just follow the instructions in the video to make the correct connection. Short circuit reset. Connect the test clips together, with the handles of the same color facing each other. Refer to the illustration. Then, on the settings page, select button Short Circuit Reset, choose OK, and then complete the return process. Simulation measurement. The simulation measurement prepared 2 standard resistors. In the video, the computer parameters, upper limit value and lower limit value, will be set separately to show the display form of the measurement result being qualified or unqualified on the result page.